Hi everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. So sometime back I had shared a anti-dandruff hair scrub with you all, and I got many requests saying to share a mask as well. So today's video is all about an anti-dandruff hair mask. Very effective, to soothe your scalp, to reduce the itchiness on the scalp, and to reduce the dandruff, sticky or dry dandruff. Basic formulation as usual will be shared in the description box. For the advanced ones, you can contact me on the WhatsApp number that's given for the workshops. So here we have our water phase and our oil phase already prepared. In my water phase, I have taken some water and a little bit of glycerin, humectant moisturizing agent. And in my oil phase, I have taken a lot of hair conditioning ingredients because it's a mask. So we don't want the hair to feel very dry after applying it. We want a very soft and glossy finish on the hair. So there are a lot of highly conditioning ingredients, BTMS 50, cetosterol alcohol, my emulsifying wax, and a lot of other emollients to give that nice glow and shine to the hair. So we'll quickly go ahead and heat both these phases. Okay, so I've gone ahead and heated both the phases, and also I forgot to mention that in my oil phase, my very important ingredient to reduce dandruff is my neem oil, and that's the oil that I have used here. So we'll quickly go ahead and combine both the phases, and we'll give this a quick blend. Okay, so I've gone ahead and blended this here, and if you can see what a beautiful smooth mixture we have here ready, just like a nice mask consistency. And I'm adding a very small amount of bentonite clay that I added in my scrub as well, because this is a very good ingredient to clean your scalp completely, thoroughly, to remove all the excessive oil sebum production from the scalp, and to give you a healthy, clean and clear scalp free from dandruff. Okay, so after combining the bentonite clay nicely into this mask, the consistency looks something like this. And since this is cooled down, we will go ahead and we will add our preservative to this, and we will give it a mix. Okay, so this is the final look of our lovely creamy rich hair mask, which is our anti-dandruff hair mask, and it is absolutely smooth. It has a lovely texture, and when applied on the scalp and washed off, it makes your hair even more healthy. It strengthens your hair follicles and even reduces hair fall. So friends, if you like what I share with you all, if you want me to share more such informative products with you all, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much everyone.